How to create a photo collage using the photo gallery app found on your OnePlus Nord 3, and let's get started. You'll first want to go into the Photos Gallery app here on your Nord 3. And once you're here, whether you're in the photos section or within an album that has photos here, you'll start by long pressing one of the photos that you want to add in the collage. So let's just say I want to go ahead and start with this one here. And as I long press it, it's going to select that photo for me. Now that it's selected here, you'll be able to select the other photos that you want to add in the collage itself. So let's just say we want at least 4 of them for now. I'll go ahead and tap on the little circles to the bottom right here. That'll select them for you. And when you do this, you're now saying these photos that you have selected are the ones you want to be in that collage. To the bottom section here, you'll see the collage option here. And when you tap on it, it'll create it for you like this here. Now you got some templates here that you can go ahead and try out yourself here. And of course, going over to the right, you also got these here. And you can just go ahead and experiment what's right for you. You got the poster section where you can choose either one of these as presets here to give some creativity for your collage here. You also got this here. You can also try out some of these here, and it's totally up to you, okay? Now, with all that said and done here, of course, you can come back and change your template if needed. It kind of resets everything, and then you can go back and choose your poster. Now, once you're done here, press the check mark, and it's going to save it for you, creating a quick, simple collage of photos for you, okay? Now, it doesn't change the original photos or anything like that. You do get to keep them still as they are, and it just creates a collage for you separately. And that's that. Like and sub, and thanks for watching, okay? They also create a album for the collage photos created only, okay? Like and sub.